team vloggers kasi magbumukbang po kami ulit. Nandito ang aming newest member, Onin Fogalidad. Yes, and our sexy Terry, Claire and Traya, please subscribe to her channel. So, ngayon, kakain na naman tayo ng marami. Yes. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa Lai-Lai Yeung Chow Restaurant. As you can see, my co-vloggers are getting ready to have their photo operations. So ngayong araw na ito, titikman natin ang kanilang classic Chinese food. This restaurant has been in Iligan City for about 29 years. So bibigyan natin sila ng comment mamaya. Okay, so hello guys. So we're here again. No? We have already got our portion of the food from Lai-Lai Restaurant. So first, I need to introduce you to the foods. So I have been already familiar with the foods from Lai-Lai since my family is always buying takeouts from Lai-Lai Restaurant because it's a family restaurant and we really love the food here. So this is lumpiang Shanghai. Then we have birthday pancit. And then we have, this is coleslaw from Kinilaw, this one. And then my favorite, Yeung Chow chicken. Also my favorite, buttered chicken. Then their fried chicken, classic fried chicken. And then this one right here, if you're wondering, this one is crab meat omelette. So it's egg and with crab meat, of course. And then we have patatim. So this is crispy pata, I think, with it's kind of like crispy pata stew. That's it. And then we have classic fried rice. So we're gonna taste this one and of course express our comments with the food.
The best coleslaw in town. I love coleslaw and this is so amazing. Okay, so let's continue. Iniba ko yung angle kasi nahihirapan ako guys. Sa lumpiang Shanghai. With coleslaw and fried rice, of course. Tatim. So, Lai-Lai Restaurant has been a family legacy. This has been just started from the tita and tito, I guess. And then passed down from the generation. So, ayan, nakita naman natin. Very successful. Try the patatim. So you can see tender pork. Yummy. Aside from the looks, the pork is really tender guys. Napaka-soft. O pwede dito yung mga nakapustiso because it's so soft.
Look at their patatim. They have mashed meat.
Tapos ito. You have the Yeung Chow chicken, my personal favorite. Sorry, marami ng rice. Okay. As usual, the best. So the thing with Yeung Chow chicken, bakit favorite ko siya is it has sweet and spicy flavor. You know, like if you have tasted Korean fried chicken, it's like that. Tapos yung chicken, crispy. Crispy yung pagkaluto niya sa sides. So, hindi siya umay. Then, Let's taste their classic fried chicken. Classic fried chicken. Then, it will be my first time to taste crab meat omelette. I don't eat crabs, guys. Kasi natatakot ako sa mukha. But for this, let's try this. Okay. Okay. So, meron siyang seafood taste. Of course, because it's crab.
Chicken eh.
So, this is the taste of crab. It's good. Masarap siya, guys. And I didn't feel like, for the first, kasi pag, you know, when I swallowed it, I didn't know that ganito yung lasa. But it's actually good. Tapos very soft. Savory. Very tasty. I think I'm gonna love this. So I think this is called fuyong. Then the last one we have my other favorite, buttered chicken. Okay, the thing with this one, it's very juicy. See? It's very juicy. So that's it. Guys, I would like to thank Lai-Lai Yeung Chow Restaurant and Lai-Lai Garden for this wonderful opportunity na makapag-endorse kami. You guys really need to check them out. And honestly, if you have, you know, birthdays, reunions, any special occasion na would need lots of food, catering, seriously consider Lai-Lai Restaurant. It has been trusted by Iliganon families for 29 years. And hi to the Scotch tape. We all know that this building is already old. But yeah, you can have their delivery information down below. I'll put it on the description box. And see you on my next mukbang.